How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Did you enjoy it?
Yes. It was nice.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza, probably.
Are you feeling better?
Yes. Much better.
Going out tonight?
Not sure yet.
Have any plans tomorrow?
Just work, mostly.
Want to watch a movie?
Sure. Which one?
Did you see the news?
No. What happened?
Have you eaten yet?
No. Not yet.
Feeling hungry now?
Yes. A little.
Do you like traveling?
Yes. I love it.
What's your favorite book?
Harry Potter series.
Can you help me?
Of course. Sure.
Want to go shopping?
Maybe later. Yeah.
Did you hear that?
No. What was it?
Are you busy right now?
Not really.
Did you sleep well?
Yes. Like a log.
What's your favorite animal?
Dogs, definitely.
Want to go for a drive?
Sure. Sounds fun.
Do you need anything?
No. I'm good.